Wipro announces a massive buyback, but profits are falling. Is this a smart move or a warning signal for investors? Let us break down the latest update on Wipro in a simple and practical way. This is important for investors, finance students, and professionals. Wipro has announced a buyback worth around 15,000 crore. This is one of the largest buybacks in the company history. What is buyback? A buyback means the company purchases its own shares from shareholders. This usually signals confidence or efficient use of excess cash. Key numbers: Wipro plans to buy shares at a premium price. Revenue has declined for the third consecutive year. Profit has also dropped significantly. Performance concern: the company is facing slow growth. Weak demand and macro uncertainties are affecting the IT sector. Client spending is cautious. Market reaction: after the announcement, the stock showed pressure. Investors are concerned about future growth despite the buyback. Management view: the company says it is returning excess cash to shareholders. It remains confident about long-term opportunities and deal pipeline. Experts believe buyback is positive but not enough. Growth visibility remains weak in the near term. Investors should be cautious. What it means for investors: buyback gives short-term support to stock price, but long-term value depends on business growth and earnings. Risk factors: declining revenue trend, lower client additions, global economic uncertainty, pressure on margins. Opportunity side: strong balance sheet, cash-rich company, potential recovery if IT demand improves. Simple takeaway: buyback is a positive signal, but falling profits cannot be ignored. Balance both before making investment decisions. Wipro buyback looks attractive on the surface, but real story lies in future growth. Follow for more simplified finance and corporate law insights. Disclaimer: viewing this video or accessing the content on this channel are free and does not create any professional, advisory, or client relationship between the speaker and the viewer. The content is shared solely for general educational and informational purposes. The speaker is a member of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India (ICSI). However, the information provided in this video should not be construed as professional advice, consultancy, or opinion under any law or regulation. Viewers should not rely solely on the information provided in this video for making legal, financial, regulatory, or compliance decisions. Any person intending to rely upon or act on the information contained herein should independently verify the relevant provisions of law and, where appropriate, seek professional advice from a qualified professional. The speaker, the Institute of Company Secretaries of India (ICSI), or any organization or listed company with which the speaker may be associated shall not be liable for any direct or indirect loss, damage, or consequences arising from reliance on the information provided in this video or channel. The content shared on this channel is based solely on publicly available information, general legal provisions, and academic discussion of corporate and regulatory frameworks. The speaker confirms that no unpublished price-sensitive information, UPSI, confidential information, or proprietary information of any listed company or organization has been disclosed or discussed in any video or content on this channel. The views expressed in the videos are personal academic interpretations for educational purposes only and are not connected with or derived from any confidential information obtained through employment, professional engagement, or association with any listed company or organization. Nothing contained in this channel should be interpreted as market advice, investment advice, or insider information under the applicable provisions of securities laws, including the SEBI Prohibition of Insider Trading Regulations 2015. Viewers are advised that the information shared is purely for general educational awareness and should not be relied upon for investment decisions, trading decisions, or regulatory compliance without consulting appropriate professionals and official sources.